Today we're going to talk about fractions. A fraction is when we divide something into pieces. So today we're going to focus on equal and unequal parts. If something is equal, it is the same. So think about if you were going to share a piece of pie. You wouldn't want your brother or sister to have a bigger piece than you, and you get a small piece. You'd want them to be the same size so that it's fair. So when something is equal, they are the same size. Okay? So that means if it's unequal, they are not the same size. So let's talk about equal for a second. Let's say I have a circle, and I wanted it to be in equal pieces. I couldn't draw a line right here. Are these two pieces the same? No, this piece is small, and this piece is big. Think how you'd feel if you got that tiny piece. Would you be happy? No, they need to be the same. They need to be equal. So let's try this way. Are those about the same? Yes. So if you got one piece and your friend got the other piece, you'd be pretty happy because they're about the same. So equal pieces mean that they are the same size. Remember, we talked about unequal means that they are not equal. So what if I had a square and I did one piece this way and then like this? Are those pieces all the same size? No, they're not even the same shape. So it's important that they're all the same shape and the same size. All right, let's sort some shapes for equal and unequal. All right, let's look at the first one. Is this shape equal or unequal? Good, it's unequal. There are really big pieces and really small pieces, so he's going to go over here. Let's look at the next one. What about this shape? Equal or unequal? He's going to be equal. He has 4 triangles inside, and they're all the same size. So he gets to go over here. All right, let's look at this next one. Is this equal or unequal? He's unequal. These two are the same, and these two are the same, but they're not all 4 the same. So if someone got a small piece and someone got a big piece, that wouldn't be equal. He gets to slide over here to unequal. All right, let's look at this circle. He's got 4 pieces. Are they all the same? Yes. So he goes over here to equal. What about this circle? No, he's got a really, really big piece and a really, really small piece. So he's going to go to unequal. All right, let's look at this square. Are all the pieces the same size and shape? Yes, so he's going to go to equal. All right, just a few more. Look at this piece. Are those two the same size? No, if I got this really tiny piece, I would not be happy. They are unequal. All right, what about this square? He's cut just like that circle was, where there's a really big piece and a small piece, so he is unequal. Last two. Let's look at this circle. He's cut into 2 pieces. Are they the same size and the same shape? They are, so he's going to go to equal. And our last one, look at this square. He's got 2 pieces. Are they the same size and shape? Yes, so he is also equal. Great job. while I am cleaning this up, go ahead and get out your green folder and get your fraction math packet. You should have finished your measurement one, and now you need your fraction pages. They look like this. All right? I want you to look at the first page, and I want you to flip it over. We're going to do this side together first. I'm going to do this side with you, and I want you to do this side by yourself. Okay? Let's look at the first one. In this shape, are these equal or unequal? Remember, we talked about equal means the same. Are all of these pieces the same? No. So it is unequal. Un just means not. Not equal. Look at this second one. Are all of his pieces the same size and shape? Yes. So he is equal. All right. Look at this square. They have a line. They've cut it. But is this piece the same size as this piece? No, not at all. So he is unequal. All right, we'll do these last two together, then you'll finish the page. All right? Is this shape, he's got 3 pieces. Are they all the same size and shape? They are, so it is equal. The last one in this column, we've got another circle. And he's got 4 pieces. Are they all the same size and shape? Are they fair shares? Yes, so they are equal. All right, I want you to finish this side by yourself. And when you're done, you're going to flip it back over. And this side, you're going to cut out the bottom. Make sure you've done the other side first, because when you cut it out, it's going to cut out part of this page, and that's okay. So you're going to cut out these shapes and decide if they are equal or not equal. Remember that equal means the same. So if they're the same size and shape pieces,
Can
then
you give an example up there by the words, please?
Yes. So if we have a circle with 2 pieces like this, those are both the same. And if they're not equal, like this, where you have 1 big piece and 2 little pieces, those would not be equal. So when you're looking, decide, are they the same or are they different? If the pieces are not the same, glue them over here. Once you finish that, let it dry, and then stick these pages back in your folder. Do not leave them out for wherever other friends to get hold of them or for them to get messed up. Keep them safe in your green folder.